Good day. I will be presenting our research study, Emerging Learning Interventions Hail from Lower Results, Basis for Coaching and Mentoring Mechanism. Together with me is Dr. Salvador A. Espineli, Principal to BPS, and Sir John Paulo B. Ponce, Teacher 1 of BPS also. And yours truly, Maria Theresa Obrero, Principal 1 of Aliang Elementary School. This study was rooted in Republic Act 9155, Section 2 of the Governance of Basic Education Act of 2001 that protect and promote the right of all citizens to quality basic education and accessible to all. Also, it was being guided in the Department Order number 31 since 2020, or the interim guidelines for assessment and grading in light of basic education learning continuity plan. And the division mantra, which is hashtag para sa batang Caviteño, the PPAs, one of which is a Project AGAP, which includes the preparation and evaluation of assessment tools, analysis and assessment results, which serves as the data for instructional supervision and monitoring and evaluations in crafting interventions. For the rationale, from 1,700 elementary pupils in Bagumpok Elementary School, learning outcome assessment results were gathered and corresponding interventions were given by the teachers to those learners who didn't master the learning competencies. Also analyzing the learning outcome assessment results in key stage 2 in all learning areas in quarter 3. Now for the related literature, an intervention theory and method of Chris argues that in organization development, effective intervention depends on the appropriate and useful knowledge that offers a range of clearly defined choices. Also, Lu et al. 2017 findings shows the adaptive learning intervention help address the learning gaps for chemistry. Therefore, this research formulated also these research questions. What is the learning outcome assessment results of the key stage 2 in all learning areas in quarter 3? What are the identified least mastered skills? What emerging learning intervention strategies utilized by the teacher in key stage 2 that address the learning gaps? And after knowing all those results, what coaching and mentoring mechanism may be proposed to the school heads and education supervisors in addressing the learning gaps? Now, for the scope and limitation, learning outcome assessment results for the key stage 2 in all learning areas in quarter 3, and the data was being gathered and obtained in the district official online sources.
This research utilized descriptive comparative research design. It follows the qualitative approach and quantitative approach. Since all the teachers experience the new teaching modality in distance education, the researcher used total enumeration sampling. For the qualitative part of the study, the questionnaire will be validated by the curriculum experts and planners as well, specifically in the descriptive comparative, total enumeration sampling, and then the data in this study will be obtained from the district official online sources. Confidentiality of the information and anonymity of the teacher participants, and frequency, mean percentage score, standard deviation, and content analysis.
For the discussion of results, based on the findings of the studies on the lower results of the key stage 2 in all learning areas in quarter 3, in the grade 4 level, Filipino got the lowest mean percentage score with 78%, followed by English, Science, and MAPE with 79 mean percentage score. While in the grade 6 level, science subjects having the lowest mean percentage score with 78%, and the following areas such as English, Araling Palipunan, and Mathematics got 79% mean percentage score. They identified these mastered skills with about 74% mean percentage score is Filipino subjects from grade 4 to grade 6 levels. Likewise, in mathematics and English in the grade 5 level. Moving towards mastery, most of the interventions given by the teacher is to provide additional activities but differentiated to the learners, and also the educational videos. Based on the findings of the study, on the lower results of the key stage 2 in all learning areas in quarter 3 show that all learning areas were moving towards to mastery. The grade 4 levels, which the Filipino, which has 78 mean percentage score, while the following subjects such as English, Science, and MAPE have 79 mean percentage score. And the grade 6 level, the Science got the lowest mean percentage score with 78%, while the English, Math, and AP got 79%. They identified these mastered skills with 74% is the Filipino subjects from grade 4 to grade 6 levels, same as in English and Math. The intervention given by the teacher is to provide additional differentiated activities to the learners. The study focused on the lower results, the least mastered skills, and the interventions given by the teachers. Therefore, the recommendations are propose and focus group discussion that help us discover the new aspects and diverse perspectives. 2. Learning action cell sessions to the teachers in giving interventions. And 3. Mentoring and coaching mechanisms that will provide our professional growth.